Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2018 Ford Escape, stock number 6685. This ran from the 9th 2016 and the 5th 2020. It has a ZG 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a ZG 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front door mirror, left rear door, light scratches. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right hand door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,